If you love strawberries, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about growing, harvesting, and cooking with strawberries. Whether you're a backyard gardener or dreaming of your own berry patch, today we'll go step by step through how to grow, harvest, and cook with these sweet, juicy berries. Here in Tasmania, our cool climate and rich soil make it the perfect place for growing some of the juiciest, sweetest strawberries you'll ever taste. So let's get started. Tasmania's mild summers, cool nights and fertile soils create perfect conditions for strawberries. So let's start from the ground up. Literally, strawberries love well-draining, slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. If your soil is too heavy, mix in plenty of compost, aged manure and sand to improve drainage. Raised beds or containers also work brilliantly. Pro tip: test your soil before planting. Strawberries are sensitive to imbalances, and a pH that's too high or too low can stunt growth. When planting, space your strawberries 25 to 30 centimetres apart in rows that are about 40 centimetres apart. This gives them plenty of room to spread. Make sure to plant them at the right depth. Bury the roots, but keep the central crown above the soil to prevent rot. Mulching is a game changer. A layer of straw, sugarcane mulch or pine needles helps retain moisture, suppress weeds and keep the berries clean. Water deeply, about 2 to 3 times a week, especially in dry spells. But be careful, overwatering can cause fungal diseases. Strawberries love full sun, well-drained soil and a bit of compost to get them started. Here in Tasmania, the best time to plant them is in early spring, around September or October. If you're planting from runners, space them about 30 centimetres apart to give them room to spread. Pollinators like bees are your best friends, so avoid using pesticides that could harm them. And don't forget mulch. A layer of straw or sugarcane mulch keeps the soil moist and protects the berries from dirt and slugs. Strawberries need a boost. A high potassium fertiliser, like liquid seaweed or tomato feed, encourages flowering and fruiting. Avoid too much nitrogen. It leads to leafy growth but fewer berries. First things first, variety matters. In Tasmania, some of the best performing strawberry varieties are Albion, large, sweet and great for fresh eating. Chandler, super juicy with an intense strawberry flavour. Red Gauntlet, a Tasmanian favourite that produces over a long season. Sweetheart, a great cold climate variety for early harvests. You can start strawberries from runners, bare root plants, or even seeds, but runners and bare root plants are the fastest and easiest ways to grow a strong plant. Now for the fun part, harvesting. The best time to pick strawberries is in the morning when they're still cool from the night air. Look for berries that are fully red with no white tips. And remember, strawberries won't ripen after picking, so choose wisely. When you pick them, leave a little bit of the green stem attached. This helps them stay fresh longer. And of course, the best part of harvesting is the taste test. Now, let's head to the kitchen and whip up something delicious. Today, we're making a simple but mouth-watering Tasmanian strawberry jam. For this easy recipe, you'll need 1.5 kilograms, or 3 pounds 5 ounces, of fresh hulled strawberries, the juice of 2 lemons, a quarter cup of water, and 1.5 kilograms, or 3 pounds 5 ounces, of sugar. Instructions for making strawberry jam. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Measure out the lemon juice, water, and strawberries. Place them into a large saucepan. Step 2. Cook the strawberries. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for 10 minutes, allowing the strawberries to soften. Step 3. Add the sugar pour in the sugar and stir well. Bring the mixture back to a boil, stirring continuously until the sugar is fully dissolved. Step 4. Check for setting point. Continue cooking until the jam reaches setting point, around 105 degrees Celsius, or when a small spoonful wrinkles when placed on a cold plate. Once ready, let the jam stand for 10 minutes to settle. Step 5. Jar and seal. Carefully pour the hot jam into warm, sterilized jars. Seal immediately and allow to cool before storing. Enjoy your homemade Tasmanian strawberry jam. And there you have it, how to grow, harvest, and cook with strawberries in Tasmania. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening and cooking tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to eat strawberries?